Hey everybody, this is going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to get my weigh-in up before it was time to do it again. Let's see, what day did I weigh in? The 12th, which would have been, no, 13th, which was last Thursday. So, let's see, here's the progress so far. On 6/12, I started out at 247.8. Then on 6/26, I weighed in at 244.6, which that was 3.2 pounds. And then on 7/13, which I will put up the video, I weighed in at 241.1, which is a total of 3.5 pounds, and my grand total is 6.7 pounds. So that is almost 7 pounds in a month, which I think that's pretty good. That's between 1 and 2 pounds a week. So before I go, I don't need to put my glasses on, but before I go, I had to show off my Barbie car too from the movie. Yeah, cannot wait for this movie. Of course, we don't have a theater anywhere nearby, so I will wait till I can buy it. And yes, but I'm so excited for the movie because I love Barbies. I used to collect Barbies. So I'm pretty excited. But anyway, here's the weigh-in from Thursday the 13th. And we will see you next time. And it'll be a better video, longer I'm sure. And I'm trying to think of anything else I wanted to mention here, but I can't think of anything. It's like we're going to do another what I eat in a day, since I am doing intuitive eating because I am almost 70 years old. I refuse to count calories and deal with all of that. And at my age, if I don't know what I am and am not supposed to eat, then that's a pretty sad day. So we'll see you next time. And bye. Thanks for stopping by. And if you just hang on a second, we'll have that weigh-in for you. Bye. All right, here we go. Appears to be setting in at 241.1. So that's a pretty decent loss. Oh. Cool beans.